The Cyclo bottom bracket facing tool. The Cyclo bottom bracket facing tool ensures a perfectly smooth, level and perpendicular shell face. The tool comes complete with threaded guides for both English or ISO and Italian style bottom bracket shells. Complete the setup by adding Cyclo's 51mm hardened facer, specifically sized to face both bottom bracket shells and head tubes, reducing the number of tools you need to kit out your workshop. Assemble the tool starting with the cutter guide and thread large diameter side first onto the narrow pitch thread of the assembly shaft. Locate the facer cutting side first over the guide. Thread the handles over the same end of the assembly shaft, ensuring the keyways align as the assembly is tightened. Select the correct guides for the frame to be faced. This frame has the English type bottom bracket shell, so the guides are marked with an L and an R. L for the drive side, R for the non-drive side. Start by threading the guides in by hand. Complete the installation using any standard peg spanner. Continue to thread in the guides until they are under flush with the face of the shell. Apply the facer with cutting fluid and insert the tool through the guides from any direction until the facer contacts the shell. On the reverse side, apply the faceplate, thrust bearing, spring and quick release nut. The nut can be applied and removed faster and more easily by depressing the buttons to expand the jaws. Turn the nut by hand to apply a light preload to the spring. Rotate the handles slowly clockwise to begin cutting. Periodically, release the tool to check facing progress and clean the cutting area from swarf. Once a uniform face has been achieved, remove the quick release nut and remaining components. Withdraw the tool and repeat the process on the remaining side. Remove the guides using a peg spanner and clean the faces ready for bottom bracket installation.